Welcome to the HorizonGo app Driver's Manual. The first set of screens we are going to view are the registration and login screens. The first time you start the HorizonGo app after installation or after an update, you will see this registration screen. The unique ID and app key will be provided, and entry is required the first time you log in to register the application on any device. Touch the red bar to register the device. Next, you will see the login screen. Each driver is assigned a unique username and password. Enter this login information to access the app. Touch the red bar to sign in. The version number is listed under the Sign In button so that you can make sure every driver is using the same application version. Now we will review our Arrive Shipper check call screens. This is the first check call for each load. Complete this check call when you arrive at the shipper. Edit the check call to modify the date or time of arrival if needed. Click on Complete to save and answer the confirmation message. If you are not dropping an empty trailer, but the trailer showing on the home screen is incorrect, you change it by clicking on the pencil icon to the right of the trailer number. Click the down arrow next to the trailer number in the center of the screen to see the trailer list and select a different trailer. Click Save to return to the home screen and complete the Depart Shipper check call. Here is a look at how the trailer list is shown. You would simply select the trailer you are picking up from the list. When the Complete button is selected, the confirmation window pops up with yes and no options. Select Yes to mark the check call as complete, or No to return to the previous screen. After completion, the Depart Shipper check call will be displayed. Let's move on to the Depart Shipper app screens. If you are dropping an empty trailer at the shipper before picking up the load, select the Drop Empty Trailer button in the center of the Depart Shipper screen. When Drop Empty Trailer button is selected, the confirmation window pops up with yes and no options. Select Yes to drop the empty trailer, or No if you do not want to drop the trailer. If you dropped an empty trailer, you must select a new trailer before completing the Depart Shipper check call. To select the new trailer, you will add it just as we did in the Edit Trailer step before. Click on the pencil icon to the right of the trailer number to begin this process. Before leaving the shipper location, you may need to edit the Depart Shipper check call to enter product information, pieces, and weight. To do this, click the Edit button on the screen to add this information. The date and time will be displayed. Click on it if you need to edit it. Click on Add Product, and then select Product from a drop-down list. Click the Pieces field to enter the number of pieces. Click the Weight field to enter weight. Click Add to save this information and return to the Edit Check Call screen. Click Save Check Call. Complete this check call when you are ready to leave the shipper. Arrive Consignee. For loads with one pickup and one delivery, the next check call to send will be Arrive Consignee. Complete this check call when you arrive at the final destination. Once you complete the Arrive Consignee screen, the next check call will be Depart Consignee. Let's move on to Depart Consignee. The last check call for the load is Depart Consignee. If necessary, click Edit to change any information. If you are dropping a trailer, click on Drop Loaded Trailer button. When Drop Loaded Trailer button is selected, the confirmation window pops up with yes or no options. Select Yes to drop the trailer. If you answer yes, the trailer will be unassigned and you will return to the previous screen. Select No to cancel and return to the previous screen. When you answer yes on the previous confirmation screen, the trailer number will be removed from the Depart Consignee screen as shown here. Select the pencil icon to select the trailer that you are picking up. Complete the Depart Consignee check call to end the trip. The next load assignment will appear automatically if assigned by dispatch. An exciting addition to the app is the ability to add a digital signature. To add a digital signature, click on Signature. Please note, you can add one signature per load. Have the receiver add their signature by writing on the screen using their finger or a stylus. If they need to redo the signature, just click the Reset button to erase this attempt and then have them sign again. Once the screen is signed, click Save and a confirmation message will pop up letting you know that the signature has been saved successfully. Once saved, you can review the saved signature in the bottom portion of the screen. Click on either the home screen at the bottom or the left arrow at the upper top of the screen to return to the Depart Consignee check call. Before we discuss the menu functions, let's take a look at the Messages functionality. Select the Messages icon to send and receive free-form messages to dispatch. After sending and receiving, messages will be displayed like a chat conversation. There are several other app screens that we will review as a part of the menu section. Click on the button in the bottom left corner to open the HorizonGo app main menu. From this menu, you can access trips assigned to you, a schedule showing trips by date, and you can log out. Selecting Log Out will close the application and return you to the login screen. The Schedule screen displays a calendar view where you can select a date, and the loads assigned for that date will be listed below. The Trips option on the main menu is another way to see assigned loads. Displayed is the load number, shipper location, consignee location, tractor, trailer information, as well as the trip status. The icons at the bottom of the application screen provide another quick way to access information. Here you can go to check calls, view messages to and from dispatch, and view the current hours of service information. We've already talked about the home page. Here are the details about the other icons. There are two options to view the check calls for a trip. You can click on any trip listed on the Trips menu to see all check calls for that trip, or you can select the Check Calls button at the bottom of the screen to view all check calls for your active trip. The active trip is the one shown on the home screen. To view the details of any check call, click on it from the check call list. The screen will display the information below. You may edit the information or select Complete button to save it. You can select any check call to enter either from the check calls list or from the home screen. You can change the date or time of the check call and add or modify products, pieces, and weight. Click on Save Check Call to save the changes. In an effort to get you compliant for the ELD mandate, the HorizonGo app offers ELD integration. There is a button at the bottom of the app labeled HOS. When you click the HOS button, your hours of service information will be displayed. The hours are updated periodically with the latest HOS information. You've now completed the video version of the HorizonGo app driver's manual. If you have any questions or require any additional information, contact your company's dispatch representative. If you need assistance from Melton Technologies or would like information on becoming a valued client, contact us by phone at 336-659-0815, by email at info@meltech.com, or visit us online at meltontechnologies.com.